Hi, this is Teacher Fikri and today I'm going to show you on how to play Geoboard Set. So let's go! Here are some easy steps for you to play with your kids with Geoboard Set. So the first one is there are 5 different colors ranging from blue, the easiest one, to red, the hardest one. So the next one is I want you to start with blue color and then stretch it out, pull it out with 3 fingers and then put it among the knot, and then until the hardest one, which is red, and then put it on the knot. Don't worry, there are benefits when it comes to this Geoboard set, which is the first one is to introduce tripod pinch and tripod fingers. Why is it necessary for us to introduce this tripod? Because at the end of the day, when they grow up, this tripod pinch and grasp is necessary for picking up things, small things, or to use spoon or fork, or to use pencil. The most important thing in academic capabilities, academic achievement, or academic things. And then the second one is to improve initiation and sustaining tripod fingers. Because here's the thing, each color has different elasticity. So the blue is the easiest, so you can pull it easier with these 3 fingers. But then afterwards, when you gradually comes to red color, it's a bit difficult for you. So this is one of the way for us to improve initiation and sustaining tripod fingers. And this is also important in terms of daily life routine, like put on button, using pencil, or picking up coins from the floor, or take the fork the meatball, and etc. And then last but not least is to learn colors through technique. So here's the thing, when I say to start from the blue, you need to instruct your child, hey, can you help me to take blue color? Where is blue? What color is this? Blue. Good job. This is one of the way for us to introduce things that surround us, which is color. Color is the most prominent things, right? So for age appropriate will be 3 years and above. That's all from me. Thank you.